Welcome back to Cats Arena. Brand new game that I've been playing, the new update. So let's play. Okay. I'm not so smart. It's kind of like you're letting go gas.
Yes.
It's just like, yeah. Now we just wait. Okay, the game started. Finally. Took it long enough. Wow. Hey Destroyer, watching the World Championship? Dreaming of participating? My present will help you make your dream come true. So a dream is gonna come true. So a dream is gonna come true. It's my birthday! Oh god. It's your first machine, so you can. Tony, give back the machine you hijacked. The snake and his gang, they went to your machine. I didn't steal it. I just took it from some bad guys to give to someone better. So let's defeat the gangsters. First of all, armor machine with a weapon. Okay. Okay, guys. Now get. Yeah. So we're ready to fight. Let's do this. Hey, guys. We'll destroy your garage right now. Oh, no. My first battle. Tap. The most important thing, machines fight automatically, so you don't need to control them. The job is to just assemble the best build and enjoy the results. Spam him. Oh, okay, guys. We are wrecking him. Boom, guys. Victory. Nailed it. We nailed it.
What did you do?
Our first battle. You think that's all? Get him, boys. Snake send his henchman first, as usual. Alright, I need to edit our card. Quality, body, rarity, common. Challenge. Fight! Let's do this! Ha 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 ha! God, we're spamming him! Whoa, whoa! Come on, come on! Yes! Fight two guys! Oh no, 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 no! Dang it! That chainsaw is awesome. I want it. That not going well as I expected, but I have something that can help us. Yeah, show me what you got, guys. Yeah, I want to edit a forklift that can flip your opponents upside down. It also had L to your machine. Nice. So let's do this. Round 2. Let's fight Fatmore. Hoi! Flip it, flip it, flip it! Ha 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 ha! Ha ha ha! Woo! Boom, baby! That's how you do it, Uncle Tony. Those were just gang rookies. Now, you'll see some real war cats. Oh no, Joker, Catfish, and Sturdy Johnny. You need to make your machine deadlier. I have a box with new parts. Let's open it. Oh, yeah. Yep. You got some powerful parts. Let's go check them out. It is my car, baby. Parts with... To win, use the parts with the more stars. So how do you... No, that doesn't make any sense. Where's my second wheel? Oh. Guess we're going a little bit unequal. Come on. How do you do it? Oh, there we go. All right, guys. Now let's do this. Oh my god, these cars are just jammed right now. Oh, guys, nailed it. Oh, the drills are the most awesome ones. Come on, come on. Yes! I won 2 fights. Come on. Well, it's the only thing I have, so that's the challenge. Hopefully we win. Dirty Johnny. No wheels. Must can beat this guy. Know what I'm gonna do? No! I think I know what I'm supposed to do. He can't move, so I'm gonna take off the wheels off of my car. So it can move and I just shoot it. Yeah. That's what I'm gonna do. He's dead now. Yes! Finally! Boom, guys! My best fighters will destroy you! Oh my god. There are more? I will do it myself with pleasure. Oh god. Now you're in real trouble. You don't need more parts. Meet me in the garage. Wow. It said to meet him, so I'm gonna meet him. Can win more parts in quick fights. I'm just doing a quick fight. Okay, here you'll fight against a random opponent. 3 will get you a new box of parts. Let's wreck this guy. Wrecked! Boy! Win streak. I'm just afraid of that drill. Great. You just need 2 more left. Let's do 1 more quick battle. Like and subscribe, comment below. Jason Morris. You need to know that gun is worthless, sucker. 2. Just need 1 more battle that I can get a new box of parts. Like if you want more of cats. Like and subscribe. Let's aim for 25 likes. If we can get 25 likes, I would be really appreciative. The enemy seems too tough. You can skip them. Boom! Boom! Nailed it! Guys, I got the parts box so I can make a brand new car now. Takes time, but this one's on me. Yeah, boy. Woo! Yes! I got a chainsaw. Oh, God, no way. Meet my friend Stevie, the scissors. Hey, want to learn about upgrades? You can fuse parts together and make them stronger. Just the parts that you want to improve. Okay, drag it right there. Really increases the base items, level, and stats. Sometimes you may need to fuse several parts into one level to level it up. Ooh. Whoa, we just done the prologue. Wow. Guys, I am winning this 2 right now. Look at that. Look at that health. No way. Feeling one hit. Now time to go deal with 2 of my own paws. Okay, Snake. Bring it. I'm cheering you up. Woo! I just beat Snake, guys. Victory. Victory. If I had face cam, you'd see me do my victory dance right now. How could this happen? Retreat! Great job. He won't bother us anymore. We defeated the boss. That was so easy. Whoa. You destroyed Snape. He was my best friend. Oh, it's Mr. Mackenzie, a local crime boss. I I could punish you, but I'm making you my new fighter instead. Win the cats competition for me or I'll destroy you. Welcome to the big leagues. Here is your pass to the qualifiers. Destroyer, sorry, I pulled you into all of this. But you got access to the cat championship. What? Pull up. Cat championship, baby. Here you compete against cat fighters from all over the world. You have to climb the ranks to grand final. You start qualifying. Just defeat opponents to get medals. You will win enough fights and you'll be instantly promoted to the next stage. Let's try it. Woo! Nailed it. Come on, come on. No. He's gonna. Oh! I'm chopping out your wheels, boy. Wow, I just won 3 fights almost instantly. Yes. The animations are so cute. Look at that little happy man. Aww. You unlock more powerful parts. Pick one of the stickers below. Yes. I already got a few things. The forklift, the blade, the rocket, the stinger, the splitter, the healthy box. Collect all the prizes. I found a sponsor who can help us. Like the music. Bonus part once in a while. Oh wow! I got a sting already. Oh, balls! I never got that. Collect all the prizes. I'll notify you when another box arrives. Destroyer! I'm ready to fight. Fight against all other players from your group, one by one. Win 9 fights to get the instant promotion. Finally. Boy. MP% ni surat ng kabot mo. Guys, I don't know what they're doing. I'm just killing them. Fight 10 guys, I want 9 kills in a row. Okay, you just did the wrong thing. I'm wrecking you now. Ow. Ow. What? Ow. 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 Stop it, please. If I win this, I will be awesome. Ah, no! E-propulsion, nigga. So unfair. No. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna end the video here. Like, subscribe if you want to see more of Cats, and I'll see you next time.